So Nimrod, just seeing the futures turn to the red over the last hour, what do you make of that?
We expect a lot of choppiness in the market here, Frank. We think we're in this age of political, regulatory, and technological disruption. So in this kind of a market environment, yes, the market's been very focused on the positives from deregulation and potential tax cuts, but the negatives are the policy and regulatory uncertainty and the government tax cut, government spending reductions. And we are going to start seeing how that starts to impact the real economy here in the coming months. So we expect a lot of choppiness.
All right, with that in mind, Nimrod, what's your word of the day?
My word of the day, actually, to navigate this environment is fortitude. That's what investors, long-term investors, need to get through this environment here.
All right, so you got to have some fortitude. As we're looking at having fortitude when it comes to the markets, it sounds like you're saying you got to stay the course. So what's the course that you think investors need to stay on despite all this volatility and changes in trade and tariffs and other things?
Our playbook in this kind of environment is rest on our three pillars. We want to think long-term, stay diversified, and use prudent risk management to exit positions and enter into new positions. That's what's worked for us. We're going to stay the course.
All right. So with that in mind, why don't you give us your pick? Because there's a move that you're saying that investors should make right now. What is your pick for us today?
The stock that we've been very positive on and we've been adding to the portfolios again, dollar cost averaging over the last several months, is Broadridge Financial Services. Broadridge is actually a company that has three different segments. Their core business is what's called investor communications. They're the middle person between the investors and the corporate. So they do a lot of investor communications, proxy voting, so forth, a lot of recurring revenue here. But the true excitement for this business is in their other two businesses, which is capital markets and wealth management. And they're using technology to reduce costs to transform some of those businesses. And again, this is one that plays into the longer theme of democratization of investing, attracting more investors to the stock markets, to the capital markets, and Broadridge is a company that benefits. They've been very consistent performer, giving us high single-digit organic growth rate, low double-digit earnings growth, good capital allocator. So it's one of those stocks under the radar, but a consistent performer.
Yeah, right now shares up just about 1%. I'm sure our audience also noticed something else right there. We're looking at the forward PE of about 28 times. A bit rich in this environment, as a lot of people believe that the investors have kind of gotten religion when it comes to valuation. Concerned about the valuation, their ability to continue to maintain some of that earnings growth you were just talking about?
When we look at valuation, it's been really a two-tier type of a market. There have been companies what we would call a lot of where there's secular issues related to, especially in this market where we don't know how technology is going to disrupt so many different businesses and even regulatory changes, how they're going to disrupt so many businesses. So there you find a pocket of businesses that are trading much more inexpensively. We don't think the way we assess valuation is looking at long-term forecast, and we want to pay reasonable value for long-term growth. That's how we're looking at valuation here.
All right. One other market that you're bullish on right now is also treasuries. I haven't heard a lot of people talking about treasuries. What's the upside you're seeing when it comes to the bond market?
Bonds are a good hedge in the portfolio, especially when you look at yields that are over 10-year over 4.5%, anywhere 4.5% to 5%. That's a nice balance in the portfolio because you can continue to clip that coupon, earn that income, and it's a nice diversification in the portfolio.
All right, well, Nimrod, you're talking about hedges. What about gold? Is this the time that people need to jump on top of gold with both feet right now? I mean, we have central bank buying. A lot of people see it as a safety play and also a hedge against some of the volatility. I mean, are you very bullish on gold as well?
We don't recommend, we're not recommended commodities and alternative asset classes like gold. But again, looking at a diversified view for the portfolio, if that's something that works for the investors, definitely worth a consideration.